Good morning, students. Today we will read about the uniform and non-uniform speed. Uniform and non-uniform. Uniform and non-uniform speed. We have already read about the uniform and non-uniform motion. Same as we can define the uniform speed and non-uniform speed also. So what is the uniform speed? What is the speed? The distance covered by an object per unit time is called the speed. That already we have read in the previous videos. The distance covered by a body per unit time is called its speed. What is the uniform speed? If a body covers equal distance in equal interval of time, if a body covers equal distance in equal interval of time, then it is said to be in uniform speed. Then it is said to be in uniform speed. For example, we can say that a car moving on a straight line. Suppose that at initial time t is equal to 0, the car be at the point 0 kilometer, but after 5 seconds car reach to the point 20 kilometer. After 10 seconds car reach to the point 40 kilometer. After 15 seconds car reach to the 60 kilometer. In this example we can say that in the equal interval of time, in the 5 seconds 20 kilometer, next 5 20, next 5 20. So we can say that this is the example of the uniform speed. And if a body travels equal distance in equal interval of time, then it is said to be in uniform speed. Second, non-uniform speed, just opposite. If an object covers unequal distance in equal interval of time, unequal distance in equal interval of time, then it is said to be in non-uniform speed. It is said to be in non-uniform speed. Okay. So this is the for example we can say non-uniform example. We can say that a car moving in the traffic road. And we can give the example also. Suppose t is equal to 0, then distance is equal to also 0. But t is equal to 5, distance is given 20 kilometer. Now t is equal to 10 and distance is given here 50 kilometer. Then again 15, then it is given your that 85 kilometer. In this way, if this is given, in this case we can say that in the first 5 seconds 20 kilometer, next 5 seconds 30 kilometer, next 5 seconds equal to 35 kilometer. That distances are changing in the equal interval of time. So it is the type of the non-uniform speed. That uniform speed is also known as the constant speed, and non-uniform speed known as the variable speed. Okay. Now next topic we have to read about the average speed. Average speed. What is the average speed? Actually, when we go from one point to another point, when we go from one point to another point, then throughout the whole journey, our speed cannot be constant. Sometime if road is so busy, means traffic is there, so our speed is very less. If road is empty, so our speed will be more. Means at place to place our speed will change. In that case, when we reach from point A to point B finally, so from here to here when we go, then suppose from A to C we are going at the speed of 30 km per hour, but from C to B we are going at the speed of 40 km per hour. So overall when we have to find the that average speed from point A to point B, यदि हमको point A से point B तक की एवरेज स्पीड निकालनी होगी कि एक्चुअली स्पीड क्या है, हम अलग अलग पॉइंट की स्पीड तो बताएंगे नहीं. हम तो फाइनली क्या करेंगे, यदि ए से बी तक रीच किए तो वहाँ देखेंगे कि ए से बी के बीच की टोटल डिस्टेंस कितना है और ए से बी तक के बीच की कितना टाइम इंटरवल है, टोटल टाइम है. The total distance upon total time is known as the average speed. So what is the average speed? Is the average speed is the ratio of total distance to the total टाइम इंटरवल ड्यूरिंग द होल जर्नी. यानी कहीं भी पॉइंट ए से पॉइंट बी तक हमको निकालना है तो एवरेज स्पीड का मतलब होता है द रेशियो ऑफ टोटल डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल्ड बाय अ बॉडी टू द टोटल टाइम टेकन बाय इट. व्हाट इज द एवरेज स्पीड? द एवरेज स्पीड ऑफ एन ऑब्जेक्ट. The average speed of an object is defined as the ratio of the total distance traveled by the body to the total time taken by it. This is the definition of the average speed, and we can say that average speed is equal to d1 plus d2 plus how many are there dot 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 plus t1 प्लस t2 प्लस डॉट डॉट डॉट. जितने भी डिस्टेंस वो ऐड कर लेंगे, टोटल टाइम को भी ऐड कर लेंगे. निकालने का मतलब है क्या है कि टोटल डिस्टेंस अपॉन टोटल टाइम, टोटल डिस्टेंस अपॉन टोटल टाइम. दिस इज द फॉर्मूला टू फाइंड द एवरेज स्पीड. एवरेज स्पीड. नाउ वी कैन डू वन क्वेश्चन हियर. सपोज अ बॉडी look one question we are. Suppose a body reach from point A to B 120 meter in 3 seconds and point B to C that 140 meter in 4 seconds, and we have to find the average speed. The average speed is equal to total. Here two distance is given, so we can add d1 plus d2 upon t1 plus t2. Now d1 is given here 120 plus d2 is given 140 upon here given that 3 plus 4. So it can be written 260 upon 7. Now 7 3 are 21, 550, 7 7 are 49, 7 49 whole 1 upon 7. Okay, thank you guys.